in passing, I thought I'd come by here. This is an old CRIPPEN cleaner. This is over 100 years old. This is made out of some of the best wood you can find. This is what started Lauber Seed Farms over 100 years ago. This is a family heirloom. We've often joked if we ever were to sell this place, we'd have to knock this wall out so that we could take the family heirloom with us. But look at how far agriculture's come in 100 years. But nonetheless, this machine's still functional, and we still utilize it sometimes to clean small seeded grasses and cover crops. Very, very collectible piece right here. CRIPPEN. I'll have to check on the exact date. Nobody's for sure. People think it's 1905, 1910, something like that. Maybe it's only 80 years old, but it's old. Any of you out there can match that nameplate up. There's a scratched up patent. Number one of, we don't know how many. You know, if anybody can match up that H41 model to a year, let me know. I'm very curious to see what you guys think about this CRIPPEN cleaner. All right, let's keep journeying up the steps of the mill.